Hello, tech enthusiasts. Today we are not talking about just any ordinary phone. We are diving deep into a technological marvel, the absolute culmination of innovation, the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Samsung hasn't just launched a phone this time, they've penned a new chapter in the history of mobile technology. The renders and feature leaks that have dropped before the official launch are already sending the entire tech world into a frenzy. If you want to know what the phone of the future will truly look like, buckle up and stick with us until the very end. We are going to completely decode the full features, price, and launch date of this monster device. Let's get this show on the road. Features of the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Design and display. Let's kick things off with the design and display. Just look at this screen, it screams premium and futuristic. The moment you hold this phone, you'll know you're holding something truly different. But the display is the real showstopper. You're getting a colossal 6.92-inch dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X panel. This isn't just a screen, it's a window that brings everything to life. And with a pixel density of 454 ppi, every tiny detail remains crisp and clear. But the most jaw-dropping figure is the brightness, 4500 nits peak brightness. That means you can use it effortlessly, even under the harshest, most scorching sunlight. Plus, the 120Hz refresh rate is going to make your scrolling and gaming experience smooth as butter. And for maximum durability, it's protected by Gorilla Glass Armor 2. Camera setup. Now, let's move to the segment that Samsung is famous for, the camera setup. Leaks suggest a phenomenal quad camera arrangement that will turn your phone into a portable photography studio. The main camera alone is a game changer, a 200-megapixel Sony sensor with OIS. It's engineered to capture stunningly detailed and excellent photos, even in extremely low light. This is paired with a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 48-megapixel telephoto sensor, and a 12-megapixel macro lens. And for your social media game, the front-facing camera is a powerful 50-megapixel sensor. Performance. The heart and soul of any phone is its processor. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is tipped to house the most powerful chipset ever made. Leaks point to the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 chipset. It's built on a brand new 3nm technology, which translates to phenomenal speed and incredible power efficiency. This phone will launch straight out of the box with Android 16, and here's the biggest promise, Samsung is committing to 5 years of the latest Android updates. Talk about future-proofing. Battery backup. To manage all that raw power, you need a beast of a battery. You can expect a massive 5500 mAh lithium polymer battery. And you won't be waiting hours to charge it. It features screaming fast 65-watt ultra-fast charging. On top of that, you'll also get the convenience of 25-watt wireless charging, and 10-watt reverse charging. Price and launch date. And finally, the two biggest questions, price and launch date. Based on leaks and early estimations, the price in the USA is expected to hover around $1,399. Yes, it's a premium price tag, but given these world-class specifications, it feels completely justified. As for the launch date, all signs point to the phone being unveiled in January 2026, which perfectly aligns with Samsung's traditional flagship launch window.